this video, we will install Logtrade Connect in Business Central. We will start in our documentation site. So remember this URL. Here is where you find a lot of information about Logtrade Connect. We will start in the Getting Started and walk through topics. And we click on Installation. And here you can read about Logtrade Connect and how to install it. As you can see, we have the app available in Sweden, Norway, Denmark, UK and USA. And this is what we will do in the video. We will go to Appsource Marketplace. We will search for Logtrade Connect. We will install it and we're done. If you are on Prem, you will have to use PowerShell to install the app, and you need to update your license file, and your Business Central partner will help you with this. So let's start. Going to Business Central. We will search for Marketplace. And once we are in Appsource, we will search for Logtrade. And we will click on Free Trial. You always click on that when you install the app. So I will put in some information about me here. That's not my email address. Okay. I am actually in Sweden, so let's pick that. And that's not my phone number. I will give Microsoft permission. Click Continue. Click Install. And we are installing the extension. So after a while, you will have the app installed in your Business Central. And in the next video, we will look at the assisted setup.